confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock.
Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now.
One of the vehicles is moving right now.
Personnel coming out of the church.
We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Whoa! Shot! Kaboom. Get back on those guys.
Copy. Smoke them.
Right there. Tracking. There's a guy by that car.
Set the hand range.
Yeah, take him out.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Hot damn! Nail those guys by the building. Nail those guys.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
More enemy personnel. Personnel right there. Get that guy. Okay, he's moving again. You got him. Be careful, you almost killed our guys there. Light him up.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Clear to engage enemy personnel.
Alpha, this is Bravo 6. Be advised we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Nail those guys by the building. Okay, he's moving again. Right there, tracking. Check your fire, you're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys. Kaboom. Light them up. Get that person. Direct hit.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
That's a hit. We got a runner here. Shit, must have been a full tank of gas. Hot damn!
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. Clean up that signal.
Get back on those guys. You gonna get him? Whoa! Guy running. Yeah, take him out.
Copy. Smoke him.
You got him.
Rolling in. Target reset.
Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Alpha, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
He's scared shitless.
Alpha, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection?
Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You, should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway.
Yeah, roger that.
We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets.
We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG.
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Cleared to engage. Smoke them.
Alpha, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. The one with the square structure on the roof? It's the one with the flat roof.
Rolling in.
Kaboom. Yep, that was right on target. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Whoa! Get that guy.
Clean up that signal.
Hot damn! Light him up. You got him. You gonna get him? Nice. Yeah, take him out. Clear to engage. enemy personnel. Yeah, direct hit's right there. Enemies crossing the field. That's a hit.
Set scan range. Target reset. Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Nail those guys by the building.
Set scan range.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town.
Hot damn!
Nail those guys by the building.
Clear to engage all of those. Yeah, clear to engage.
You're firing too close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes. Nail those guys by the building.
Copy, smoke them. Target reset.
Right there, tracking. Whoa! We got a runner here. Direct hit. Okay, he's moving again. Kaboom. Guy running.
Clear to engage all of those.
You gonna get him? Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there.
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Yep, that was right on target. All right, you got the guy. I might have been within 2 feet of him. Kaboom. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. Copy.
VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.